Now we'll come to the internal part, right? So you can also look for help within R, and we'll start with the first one, which is help.start. Right, so let us type in help.start. So it basically opens the documentation page in your browser, and you can find manuals, reference, and other materials, right? So you can see this, the manuals, references, miscellaneous materials, and other stuff, right? Then you can use help if you're looking for documentation of functions and data sets. So you can do it in two ways, right? Help is a popular data set which is called mtcars. So if you type this in, you can find the details of this data set, right? So the description, the usage, what variables are there, what are the description of the variables, what is the source of this data set. You can also use the question mark symbol and type in mtcars. So you'll see the same result here, or if you want, you can go here and search for them. So for example, let us say you want to look for linear regression function. You can type it here in the search bar, and you can just press enter. So you can see the documentation of the function for fitting linear models, right? So either use the help function or the question mark symbol, or you can type in the search bar here and press enter, right? So if you're looking for sources of documentation on a particular topic, then you can use help.search or the double question mark, right? So for example, if you are looking for documents or resources on regression, use the help.search function, and then you enter the topic on which you're looking for help enclosed in single or double quotes. Now this might take a little while, as it will search for all the documents, all the sources of documents, and then it will return those that match the string, right? So it will look for all documents and return those which have a matching for the string that we have specified, which is regression, right? So you can see a lot of documents that it has returned: help pages, vignettes, and code demonstrations, right? So this is going to be exhaustive. You can also do this using let us say the double question mark. So if you're looking for chi-square, if you're looking for documentation on the topic chi-square, you can find it here, right? So whenever you are looking for help related to a topic, then use the double question mark or help.search. But if you're looking for help related to a function or a data set, then use help or the single question mark.